Winter salad with kale. And I already have marinating a little shallot and garlic with salt and pepper. The salt draws out all of the flavor from the shallot and garlic, and it's sitting in sherry vinegar. And then for a sugar content, a balance to the vinegar, you want to add a little sweet. I used acacia honey. You can also use, of course, light agave or a sprinkle of sugar. This has been sitting for about 20 minutes now. Now we're just going to stream in some good EVOO. And to each quarter cup of the vinegar, and I don't measure, I just eyeball it, I add about 1/3 to 1/2 of a cup of the olive oil. I have pomegranate seed. You can buy them already in a little tub in your produce department, or you can cut open the pomegranate under water in a big bowl of water, and it won't bleed all over your counter, and just separate the fruit itself, and then straight it off. Easy. I put celery leaves, parsley leaves, and a little torn mint. The rest of the bowl is just filled with 2 good-sized bunches of kale and a little bit, half of a red onion is all I have in there. The rest of the texture comes from this. Now, I made some croutons. You can make them in a skillet or in the oven. Just stale bread. I tore this by hand. You can use a food processor or tear it by hand. You can toast them in the oven or in a skillet. I seasoned them with a little thyme, pimenton or smoked sweet paprika, and a little red pepper flake, or this is ground red pepper. I also added, as you can see, after the elements that are toasted were toasted, I also added a little fresh parsley, chopped, okay? And to this mixture, I add toasted pistachio nuts, here's the leftover, and some smoked almonds. Ah! So this is our texture. I'm coming your way. And we're going to put that right up on top. And look, whoop, easy cleanup. I lined it with parchment paper. Delightful. John actually did me a huge favor. He put the dressing all over the salad there.